Dear students, today we are going to discuss about 8th GK chapter 4 Golden Classic. In this chapter you have to study famous character and books. The option A is given in your author name. Option B is an famous character. Then first of all, how well do you know the classics? Match the names of these famous characters with the books. The first one is Captain Ahab. Answer is Moby Dick. Moby Dick is an 1851 novel by an American writer, Herman Melville. He wrote a Moby Dick. The second one is Joe March. Answer is Little Woman. Little Woman is a novel by American author Louisa May Alcott in 1832 to 1888. The third one is Elizabeth Bennet. The answer is Pride and Prejudice. Pride and Prejudice is a romantic novel of manners written by Jane Austen in 1813. The fourth question is Edmund Dance. The answer is The Court of Monte Cristo. The Court of Monte Cristo is an adventure novel written by French author in 1844. The fifth one, Ebenezer Scrooge. Answer is A Christmas Carol. A Christmas Carol in a prose being a ghost story of Christmas, commonly known as Christmas Carol, is a novel by Charles Dickens. The next one, Scout Finch. The answer is To Kill a Mockingbird. To Kill a Mockingbird is a novel by Harper Lee, published in 1960. Seventh one, Long John Silver. Answer is Treasure Island. Treasure Island is an adventure novel by Scottish author Robert Louis Stevenson. Next one, Bilbo Baggins. Answer is The Hobbit. The Hobbit or There Are Back Again is a children's fantasy novel by English author in 1937. Next chapter is Write down the names of authors of these books name. Already given in a books, you have to write the author name. The first one is Black Beauty. Black Beauty tells the story of an horse, a long varied life. It was first published in 1877. Annie Sewell is an correct answer. Next, second one, Around the World in 80 Days. He wrote a Jules Verne. Jules Verne, Around the World in 80 Days is an adventure novel by French writer Jules Verne. It is published in 1872. Next one, War and Peace. War and Peace wrote Leo Tolstoy. War and Peace is a novel by the Russian author Leo Tolstoy in 1869. Wuthering Heights. Wuthering Heights is wrote Helmi Brandt. Wuthering Heights is a novel by Helmi Brandt published in 1847. Next one, Pollyanna. Pollyanna, fourth one, Pollyanna, Elena H. Porter is a novel in 1913. American author wrote the novel. Next one, The Picture of Dorian Gray. So Oscar Wilde. The Picture of Dorian Gray is an philosophical novel by Oscar Wilde. It was first published in 1890. Next question, The Prince and the Pauper. The Prince and the Pauper is a novel by American author Mark Twain. It is first published in 1881 in Canada. Man-Eaters of Qumran. Jim Corbett is an answer. Man-Eaters of Qumran is a 1944 book was written by Jim Corbett. The next task is festivals. The festivals are given. Chapter 5. The festivals are given in a jumbled letters. See here, one by one, jumbled letters. The first question is, this event is Munich, Germany, futures beer drinking. The answers are given in a jumbled letters. You have to write in a boxes in the correct answer. The first one is Oktoberfest. Oktoberfest is held in Germany. It is an 16 to 18 days folk festival running from mid or late September to the first Sunday in October. The next question is, children go trick or treating and card jack o' lanterns. The answer is Halloween. Halloween is a celebration observed in many countries on 31st October in Ireland. Next, third question is, Filipinos wear smiling mask on this yearly October event. The answer is Mascara. This is a festival with highlights held every fourth Sunday of October in Philippines. Next question, the world biggest tomato fight in Bunal, Spain. The answer is La Tomatina. This is an festival of Spain, in which participants throw in tomatoes and get involved in the tomatoes fight. Next question, a celebration honoring the four most important saints of Ireland. The answer is Saint Patrick's Day. The Saint Patrick's Day is a feast of Saint Patrick. It is a cultural and religious celebration held in 17th March, the traditional death day of Saint Patrick. Next one, a world famous event in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, featuring grand parades and samba dancing. This is called a Carnival of Brazil. The Carnival festival was celebrated in Brazil before Easter. We are celebrating Easter before Easter. The next question is the traditional Thai New Year marked by water throwing. The answer is Songkran. Songkran is an correct answer. It is a vast water festival. Songkran is a Thai New Year national holiday. This festival is used to throw the water and spread all over the people. Next question is ferry event of Scotland in which a Viking ship to set on fire. Uphalia. Uphalia is a fire festival. Fire festival held annually from various communities in Scotland. Next one, an annual event marking the failure of gunpowder plot in Great Britain. Answer is Gunfakes Night. Gunfakes Night, also known as the Bonfire Night. It also celebrated in a United Kingdom. The next chapter is stay away from it. Stay away. You can stay away from smoking, drugs and tobacco. Smoking cigarettes, BDs and hookahs is harmful to health as it affects the lungs. Even passive smokers who indirectly inhale cigarette smoke are at risk. The chemical nicotine in tobacco is highly addictive and carcinogenic. Carcinogenic means it's a cancer creating agent. The long term smoking may cause cancer. Smoking also increases the risk of tuberculosis and certain eye diseases and the problems of immune system and causes of respiratory system, then including rheumatic arthritis. Next, drugs. Certain drugs produce strange and stimulating effect on brain and feeling they induce makes them addictive. Drug is one of the harmful substances. It also affects the central nervous system. Central nervous system means brain and spinal cord. Next, smokeless tobacco. Smokeless tobacco. Many substances such as gutka, pan masala, hackney and contain tobacco. When chewed regularly, these products can cause diseases such as oral cancer. Smokeless tobacco product is used by means of other smoking. It may cause cancer, mouth cancer and peptic ulcer and respiratory disorder. The next seventh chapter is odd one. Which one of the odd one? The first question is which of the following is not a mountain peak? 4 answers are given. One is an odd one. Another 3 of the different answers are given. You have to write as a different answers. Which one of the following is not a mountain peak? Rain. Rain is an correct answer. Other 3 of this. mountains. Annapurna, Kilimanjaro, Vinson is an, all others are mountains. Rhine is an river, name of a river. Next, which of the following is not a moon? The answer is Cheer. Other three of these planets, they are rotating the different orbits. Cheer is a dwarfed planet. Okay. Next, which one of this not a capital city? Answer is Geneva. Geneva is an correct answer. Geneva is in Switzerland. It is a city of Switzerland. Others are the capital of cities. Next question. Which of the following is not a computer programming language? Answer is Intel. Intel is an correct answer. Intel is a multinational corporation and technology company, and others are computer programming languages. Next, which of this is not a noble gas? Cobalt. Cobalt is an element. Cobalt is a correct answer. Others are noble gases. Cobalt is one of the chemical element. Next question. Which of these men is not visual artist or painter? Answer is Elvis Presley. He is an American singer, and others are artists. Which of these not a comic character? Percy Jackson is an correct answer. Percy Jackson is a novel series, and the others are comic characters. Snoopy, Batman, Tintin. These are a comic character. Next, which of the following creature is not a venomous? Answer is anaconda. Anaconda is not venomous, but others are venomous snake. Venomous means poisonous. Which of these not precious stone? The answer is rainstone. Rainstone is used decoration and cloths, and others are precious stones. Next question. Which of these colors does not belong to the group? The answer is indigo. Indigo is an mixed colors. Others are does not belong in this groups. Orange, black, green, these are an individual colors. Next task is fairy play. Fair play. Only you have to write say yes or no only. So the first question is, in chess, if a pawn advances to 8th rank, can it be converted into queen, rook, bishop or knight of the same color? These are a same color. So you have to write the answer only yes or no. So you have to correct answer is yes. Okay, all this are look like a same color. Next, badminton player A rocket touches a net while hitting the shuttlecock. Her opponent player B misses the shot. Does player A score a point? No. Next, a player hits the ball while serving in a game of table tennis. Should the ball touch the server side of the table first? Yes. Yes is an correct answer. Next, does a basketball player commit an offense if he or she deflects the ball as the opponent shoots it towards the basket? The answer is no. In a game of cricket, a batsman has hit the ball but the falls on the ground and begins to roll towards the stump. If he deflects the ball with his foot, should he be given out? Answer is no. After each game in a lawn tennis match, does the service alternate between the two players? Yes. Next question is, in a relay race, an athlete accidentally dropped the baton. Is he or she allowed to retrieve it and carry on running? Yes is an correct answer. In a 4-lap freestyle swimming race, a swimmer's feet touch the wall after completion on a 1 lap. Should he or she be disqualified for not touching the wall with his or her hands? The answer is no. In a hockey, a goalkeeper can use any part of the body to defend the goal. Is it compulsory for him or her to carry a hockey stick while playing? Yes is an correct answer. In a volleyball match, is a player permitted to hit and ball twice consecutively? No. No is an correct answer. In this task, you have to write only yes or no answer only. The next, global figure. Global figure. First figure is Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi fought against injustice with peaceful means. He is revealed all over the world for his ideas of truth and non-violence. The second one is already given in a chapter. You have to read the passage. The Franklin D. Roosevelt was one of the greatest US presidents who steered his country through the Great Depression. He played a key role in the world politics during the Second World War. The third one is communist leader Mao Zedong was founding father of People's Republic of China. He ruled over the country for more than 25 years. Next, Nelson Mandela. Nelson Mandela fought against racial discrimination in South Africa and became his country's first democratically elected black president. Next question is, she is known as an Iron Lady for her leadership style. Margaret Thatcher was Britain's longest serving and first female Prime Minister. The next one, Mikhail Gorbachev. Mikhail Gorbachev was the last president of Soviet Union. His efforts to democratize his country and open its economy led to the fall of communism. He played a key role in ending the Cold War. Next, Mustafa Kemal Atatürk was a founder of Republic of Turkey. He brought about sweeping social, cultural and economic reforms in his country. The next task is to identify the personality. Figures are given. Personality, photos are given. You can identify, then you can write the answer correctly. The first one is Angela Merkel. Angela Merkel is a German politician who has been a Chancellor of Germany since 2005. She is the first female Chancellor of Germany. The second one is Vladimir Putin. He is a Russian politician and former president of Russia. The third one is Shinzo Abe. He is a Japanese politician and he served as a Prime Minister of Japan. Next, Xi Jinping. He is a General Secretary of the Chinese Communist Party. He is a President of China. Next, the fifth one is Donald Trump. Donald Trump is a former President of America. Then Benjamin Netanyahu is an Israeli politician serving as a Prime Minister since 2009. Next question is Emmanuel Macron. Emmanuel Macron is a French politician who has been serving as the President of France. The next one is Justin Trudeau. Is a Canadian politician who has served as a Prime Minister of Canada. Next, Scott Morrison. Scott Morrison is an Australian politician who served as a current Prime Minister of Australia. The next one is 10th one is Moon Jae-in is an current President of South Korea. So in this task we have to see the politicians. All the members are politicians. Thank you, students.